Hey there, dreamer. DWG here, newbie extraordinaire, legend in my own mind. Sometimes you gotta be your best cheerleader. On the last episode, we were talking about the folder structure and we had ourselves a really good time. Get ready, because we're gonna even have a better time. We're gonna talk about that main game root scene and create it out of a 2D node, jumping into those project settings and make it so that it runs first. Also setting up the window size. And what if you're in the middle of your project and all of a sudden you wanna change the name? I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's get it. The first thing that I wanna do is go ahead and create my gameon.tscn, if I said that correctly. And what we're going to do is click on the 2D scene and then right click it. We're going to rename it, and I'm going to name this Game On. Click off of it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on save, which you can go to scene and then save scene, or you can hit Control S. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and save this gameon.tscn right inside of the root folder of Godot. I'm going to click save now, and you see here in the root folder, gameon.tscn has been created. Now let me minimize this for a minute and go back here, and you'll see inside of the folder, the root folder, that the gameon.tscn has been created. Let's go ahead and bring back Godot. Now the next thing that I'm going to want to do is go to the project settings and then click on project settings and click on run. Now from run, I want to choose the main scene, or I want to tell Godot this is what you load first, right? So I'm going to click on the folder icon and choose the gameon.tscn that I just chose. Now, that I just created. Now remember, you can name this whatever you want to. This is just what I'm naming it, Game On, right? Now go ahead and click on open, and then the next thing that I want to change is I'm going to go to the window. Now this is going to be the size of the window that the game plays in that you're creating. Now there are some popular sizes out there, but for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click on 1280 and then 720, which should be 720p. After that, I'm going to go ahead and hit close. And again, I'm going to save. You can go to scene and hit save scene, or hit Control S. Now, if I go ahead and run this, Godot will run my gameon.tscn right away. I'm going to click that, and you'll see that it is running, and the name of this game so far is called Snowland. All right, so let's go ahead and exit out of that, and let me minimize this back down. Now, let's pretend like you've been doing some work and whatnot, and you don't particularly like the name Snowland. Now, what you can do is go to the project settings, and then go to configure and change Snowland, or whatever you named it, to something else that you like. Let's say I wanted to change this to Snow Planet, and there we go. So I changed it to Snow Planet. Let me come out of here and then click on the save again. You'll notice that it has changed to Snow Planet. Now let's go back and look at Godot again and see what has happened on the outside of that. I'm going to go ahead and close Godot actually, and then relaunch it. And from here, you'll notice that it changed from Snow Planet or Snow World or Snowland to Snow Planet. And that's great. But look at the URL here. It has here, the path here has Snowland, right? So let's go and change that. Let's go back into my project folder, go up, and I see that the project folder is still called Snowland. So I'm just going to simply get rid of that and type in Snow Planet. Now everything should go good, right? Let's go ahead and click on this and see what happens. Oh, wait, it's not working because I've changed that name. So let's go ahead, come on out of there. Let's choose this, and let's choose to remove. Now we're going to go ahead and just click on remove, and now that's gone. So now what we need to do is tell Godot where the new Snow Planet is that we just renamed, right? So let's go ahead and click on scan and go to, now you can go to your recent, right? But you can go to desktop again, just for the sake of this video. Choose the Godot project folder that I created, and choose the Godot 2D project here, and then choose Snow Planet. Select this folder, and now the path is correct. We're going to go ahead and double click that, and we should be inside of the project that we just created, and that was just renamed. And as you can see, it has been renamed, and everything is great.
I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky.